Watch me clean my refrigerator.
Say hello. Say hello. 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 It's baby Halo. Your mama's calling to check on you, baby Halo. How are you doing? Say, I'm doing fine, Mom. I'm doing fine. Hello. Baby Halo. Baby Halo. Baby Halo, say something. Baby Halo, say something. Talk on the phone. Hello? I know that's you, Halo. What are you doing? Baby Halo. Baby Halo. Hello? Okay, I think I'm going to call you later. Okay?
Tell your phone when we're done.
Baby Halo. Baby Halo. Hello? 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 Hey! Hey! I've been calling you all week, Halo. I got no answer from you. And now you get on the phone with me, you're doing all this screaming. Baby Halo, you're 10 months and you're trying to walk already. That's what your mom told me. Is your birthday coming up? How old are you going to be, baby Halo? You're going to be 1? Oh, Halo. Oh, Halo. Oh, listen to that baby. She sounds like a happy, happy baby. Yeah, this is healthy, baby. Her name is Baby Halo. Okay, Baby Halo, I really gotta go. I gotta go this time. I'm gonna talk to you later, okay? Bye-bye. I love you. I love you. I'll speak with you soon. Nice job. Good